Hi, this is Sig Torres, the General Manager, Managing Director of ShopTayo.com, and we're inviting you to just visit our online deal website. What sets us apart from the other regular online deal websites is our Heart to Give, the charity pledge that for everything, every product and every service that you buy online in ShopTayo.com actually gives a percentage of that purchase to the beneficiaries of ShopTayo.com, like iBank Foundation, like Everyday's Your Birthday Orphan Foundation, the livelihood program of our beauty queens, Kagandahang Flores, livelihood programs of our partner as well, the Professional Models Association of the Philippines, the PMAP, and we thank you for just supporting ShopTayo.com in its launching tonight. Thank you so much, and we hope that you take part in our cause and advocacy of not just giving you the shopping online deal website, but also giving you the opportunity to give back. Thank you.